electric skateboards you need to ride. Electric skateboards, also known as e-skates, are becoming more and more popular all over the world. They're fast, very durable, and so much fun to ride. E-skates, like regular skateboards, come in a variety of models, with some being more popular than others. With so many options available, how are you supposed to know which are the best electric skateboards? That's what we're here for. Tech Groupies has compiled a list of 6 of the best electric skateboards for 2022 in this video. Whether you're riding for fun or to easily commute, you can now hit the streets on these super fun skates that are smaller, lighter, and smoother than ever before. Depending on the model and your needs, these electric skateboards will undoubtedly blow your mind. First on our list is the X-Way Flex and Flex Riot. X-Way is one of the industry's best e-skate brands, and they have models to fit almost any user's needs. And unquestionably, their X-Way Flex model is among the best electric skateboards for commuting on the market right now. To deliver this outstanding experience, X-Way created a surface that was simple to stand on. It shows off a flexible concave deck with high shoulders on which you may place your feet for superb control. Additionally, the foam grip tape on the top of the deck absorbs a lot of road vibrations, making your ride even more pleasant. The drivetrain system on the X-Way Flex is interchangeable. With the X-Way Flex Hub X-Way Flex Riot, switching from hub motors to belt-driven is quite simple and pluggable. You must, however, purchase the drivetrain you wish to replace separately. If you start with an X-Way Flex Hub, you can easily upgrade to an X-Way Flex Riot if you buy the Riot drivetrain. However, one of the most useful features of the X-Way Flex and Flex Riot is the remote control. The use of this gadget ensures safe operation, so accelerating, reversing, or braking will no longer be particularly challenging. The X-Way Flex includes other functionalities you could possibly want in an e-skate. It has a smartphone app, it's IP55 waterproof, it also has a smart turn-on feature, and the battery protects itself if the board is left idle for a long period of time. In terms of battery specifications, it is powered by a 259-watt Sony VTC6 18,650 cells. Its top feature also includes a top speed of 40 kilometers per hour, a range of 30 kilometers, and a 30% hill climbing capacity. X-Way also rocks a superior track record for customer service, top-notch product polish, and a wider range of accessory options for their boards. Next up is the Wowgo 2S Max. Wowgo 2S Max is the board for you if you want one that's both comfortable and easy to ride. The deck is made of Canadian maple, bamboo, and fiberglass. The trucks are high quality and designed for stability, and their speed control is incredibly smooth and straightforward thanks to the 12S Hobbywing ESC, aka Electric Speed Controller. With this controller, it is simple to see that this electric skateboard model has outstanding speed control and handling abilities. In terms of power, the Wowgo 2S Max has a 216-watt battery pack with a stated range of 23 kilometers. Aside from the ability to manage the speed, the engine's power is an unexpected advantage. As a low-cost device, the 2S Max brags a powerful 550-watt hub motor. One of, if not the most well-finished board under $500 is the Wowgo 2S Max. Nothing in the design, from the foam grip tape to the graphic underneath the board to the better-looking remotes, will hint at the low price. Oh, and Wowgo has a history of providing above-average post-purchase customer support as well. Simply said, the Wowgo 2S Max should be the first option for any rider looking for a budget-friendly, entry-level e-skateboard. Now let's take a look at the Meepo Hurricane. Although Meepo is mostly known for its incredibly affordable skateboards such as the Meepo Mini and the Meepo Shuffle, the brand has created a high-end model called the Hurricane. One of the strongest electric skateboards on the market, the Meepo Hurricane comes with a price point to match. With its incredible acceleration and torque, the Hurricane can sprint around town at a top speed of 35 miles per hour. In addition to being a fast board, this alternative is also easy to handle. It has 4 stop and speed levels, allowing the user superior control of the skateboard's motion. These 4 level gauges assist the skater in achieving the ideal speed for the trail's conditions while also ensuring safety. This e-board is made of a more durable deck material, carbon fiber, which is frequently used by professional off-roaders who love taking on rough terrains. The Hurricane's stability on difficult terrains, trails, dirt roads, and tight intersections is supported by their 150mm pneumatic AT tires. This electric skateboard is a good option for riders who want to upgrade from a mid-level longboard to an exceptional off-roader since it has has two 3,500-watt motors that let it climb steep hills. Thanks to its giant battery and range possibilities, you'll be able to travel anywhere you want without worrying about your battery dying and leaving you behind. They've selected high-quality hardware components so that you can spend more time riding and less time trying to fix things. In the long run, this saves you money while also ensuring your safety while riding. In addition to the use of high-quality materials, it also includes a special electronic speed controller called the Lingyi FOC Electronic Speed Controller, which has different speed modes. Overall, the Meepo Hurricane is a rockin' pick for anyone searching for a strong, high-end electric skateboard with a great blend of speed, range, and control. Next up on our list is the Evolve Haydeen Bamboo. Okay, so the most popular Evolve models are the Bamboo editions, right? But the Haydeen series is the real deal. Evolve Skateboard's Bamboo GTR series comes in street and all-terrain variations, as well as a version that mixes the two wheel types for maximum customizability. While Evolve emphasizes the old-school craftsmanship of the deck's construction, the batteries and motors are what make a fantastic electric skateboard perform at a high level. Even though this model has a similar range, the key difference between the all-terrain and the regular versions is the larger, and let's say it, much more comfortable wheels. Thanks to Evolve's patent-pending multi-layer electric technology, the Haydeen series instantly gives you greater performance without sacrificing a very cool design line. Thanks to its battery pack and dual 3,000-watt rated 6368 custom brushless censored motors, the Haydeen has the power to easily navigate the world's steepest roads and can climb 35% plus hills. This gives you a staggering 40-mile range and a top speed of 31 miles per hour. Next up is the LaCroix Nazaire Lone Star. The LaCroix boards have distinguished themselves as the quickest electric skateboards on the market, surpassing all the other brands. The Nazaire Lone Star offers a lot more than performance, range, rideability, and build quality you'd anticipate from a LaCroix board. The Lone Star features modernized hardware, amazing range, and unmatched top speed, incredibly comfortable pneumatic tires, and the natural feel of fine Canadian maple. You can customize the board's feel to your taste, with the many various riding options which make it very simple and flexible to switch your preferred riding style and pace. Because the deck is broad, turning and carving are easier. Additionally, it provides you a sense of stability by giving you lots of footholds, which you'll need when carving out deep turns or riding at fast speeds. This pre-assembled board has a 55 miles per hour top speed. Awesome, right? And also features including anti-wobble trucks, an asymmetrical concave deck, and a 1089-watt-hour battery. The battery is huge. It can keep going for hours without losing power, and you simply can't get enough of it. A 12-amp charger is also included with the purchase, and the charging period from 0 to full is approximately 3.5 to 4 hours. All in all, if you have the money to burn and are searching for a high-end electric skateboard, the Nazaire Lone Star should be your choice. And please send us pictures. Last but not least, we have the Skatebolt Tornado 2. Our list is topped off by the outstanding Skatebolt Tornado 2. It's one of the most recent products from a fast expanding business in the market, and the sheer amount of value it provides makes it, in our opinion, the best electric skateboard overall. The Skatebolt Tornado 2 is known for its strong build, quick acceleration, and reliable range. It is unequaled by any and all rivals in the $550 price bracket, and the hundreds of 5-star ratings spread across all of their Amazon listings are proof of the reliability and customer support of the business that created it. The deck is made of 8 layers of Northeast maple, which offers just enough flex for a smooth ride while minimizing road vibrations. People with broad feet will have a stable riding experience on the ultra-wide 11-inch deck, which is perfect for both new and experienced skaters. The distinctive steel truck design wrapped in an aluminum alloy is incredibly sturdy and reduces shaking while providing you complete control when turning safely and quickly. The board boasts two 350-watt hub motors, 4 riding modes, and a top speed of 25 miles per hour. This electric skateboard accelerates pretty well, and it can easily climb hills up to 25 degrees, even with a low battery. Given that it offers a balance between control and comfort, its 90mm wheels are frequently referred to as the best wheel size for electric skateboarders. The right-handed only wireless remote control is comfortable, and it gives you instant access to all the information you need. You may tweak the speed settings, change the direction you're going, monitor your speed and battery life, and even turn on the powerful red tail lights for enhanced security. The Skatebolt Tornado 2 offers amazing value for your money, and it will satisfy both experienced riders and beginners for many years. Now that we've reached the end of this list, do you see yourself shredding any of these e-skates? If you do, drop your favorite one in the comments. This is Tech Groupies, and we hope you enjoyed this particular lineup of electric skateboards. Before you leave, make sure you subscribe to our channel to view more videos of cutting-edge technology and rockin' gadgets. See you next time.